Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? For 1 minute, walk outside and stand there in silence. Look up at the sky and contemplate how amazing life is. Action. Write down 3 things that came across your mind during this process. All right, which item has our quotes today? If you don't pick a day to relax, your body will pick it for you. Stop complaining. Do what needs to be done with a smile and a good attitude. Plus, you'll be a lot more fun to be around. When you find yourself in a hole, stop digging, for crying out loud. Don't accept crumbs and convince yourself it's a meal. The path to getting out of a place you don't want is to like it. Abraham Hicks. The body becomes what the foods are, as the spirit becomes what the thoughts are. And the last one today. No worries either way. Me worrying both ways. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.